Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this vlog is going to be about a short hike. So right now it's already past 9 a.m. and we have started our journey from Mangalbare, which is my hometown, home village. Okay, so we'll try and get a taxi from here to Jusingtang, which is our next stop, and from there we'll make a hike to a place I don't know exactly the name. We'll just enjoy the journey and not worry about the destination. Yay! Okay, I am wearing very warm clothes because it is going to be very cold. And this is my sister. We've packed our backpacks and we are walking. We are also going to meet up Irene Chen because we live in same place. If you guys didn't know about it, so I'm going to meet up with her, and we are going to go together.
You see the dog that is coming? His name is Alex, and he's our neighbor's dog. So whenever we go out for a walk or anything, he follows us.
We are trying to make him go to his house. Alex, Gorja, Gorja,
Gotcha. Oh, good boy.
ja, Alex, ja.
Ja,
I met up with Irene Chen. She's here. Irene Chen, she's again acting very jungly since we are in jungle. So never mind. Okay. This is Irene Chen. She's already very tired. So we've now reached Jusingtang and we are eating also. We are not eating anything. Biscuit, and this is Butiko Makai. Okay. Guys, second phase journey has begun from Jusingtang. Yeah, there may come a time where we won't be able to see each other as well because it is so foggy. And I don't think we'll be able to see the view because the main point for us to go to this hike was to look at the view. I've never been to this place before, so this is going to be fun. Now you'll be able to see how foggy it is. Look at this. Hey guys, we are still walking and this tree looks so nice. These two are walking so fast. I am being left behind. Right now we've reached to a point where like I don't think there are any villages from now on. Guys, how are you all feeling right now?
My view's lost. Okay.
We
don't know where are we exactly going.
whatever, it's looking very nice.
Hey.
We don't know where we are right now as we are just going with the flow. Yes. And my sister Idella here wants to say something. Please tell. Please say it.
The destination that
It's
not the destination that matters, but it's the journey that counts.
Oh wow. Guys, we came across some people and I am so happy because we are in middle of the jungle and we don't exactly know this place. We've never been here before. So it feels good to see some human beings. And it's not like nobody lives here, Risa, because there is a water tank here. And what? Yeah. What? Okay, according to Irene Jane, this water here goes down to Mangle. Okay. And there's a waiting shed here also. Now I'm starting to get tired. Guys, single ladies here, so they didn't get any roses. They're complaining they didn't get any roses.
We're not complaining.
Complaining. They're whining. They are whining about it.
No?
Yeah. भाई लोग देखो यहाँ पर घड़ी घड़ी इतना खुशी की बात है यार. We came across a nice quotation here. Please read it, Irene Jane. Read it. Don't get nervous. What did you know? Once wealth and beauty are gone, there is always rural life. Okay, guys? Okay. If your wealth and beauty, if it is gone, you can always come to a village and start a new journey. She's asking about the route.
यस्तो सानो त मैले देखेको थिइनँ अबुई आज मान्दा परेछ यो त नि जस्तो गर्नु ए यो यिनीहरु ठुलो रहेछ अलिक ल बस्ला
Above, we are about to reach, and you can see my halat here. I have turned all red because it is quite steep and the path is quite narrow as well. This is hazelnut, if you guys didn't know. There are nice trees, good looking trees. Good looking girl. Guys, this is it. Don't worry about the destination. It is the journey that counts. Okay, so we decided to sit over there. And like I said earlier, it's very, very, very foggy. So we won't be able to see the view. I think the view from here would have been very nice. Oh, there's a... So now we'll sit and eat. We've got oranges. This is organic. These are all organic, okay? Organic oranges. Tinja? Chata alik. Aludam. Made by Arunjan.
Arunjan Amla.
Oh, Arunjan's Amla. Oh, sorry.
And this is Bimari's Aludam.
This is my aludam. Oh, this is mine. Looks pale like me. Okay, guys, if you can hear me, we've reached and we've prepared everything. We've set up everything and we are now ready to eat. Itadakimasu!
Itadakimasu! Oh my god, too much energy. Don't like it, but
Guys, cockroach. Oh, pura piro khaira chai. They are blowing.
No, please, jaro leo.
Ajo!
Yes. Abhi cap.
I was sitting on it or what? Okay, now we finished eating. Our short hike is almost over.
Actually, it was all about eating in the end.
Yeah.
है मजा आयो
The
खानु
only
चाहिँ
motivation was we had carried nice things to eat, you know. कति दामी आइरहेको छ दामी. She's saying she's only very good looking. That is why she's coming out
यतिकै
nice.
गर्नु न तपाईलाई म दिन्छु नि
Just
प्लिज
a translation. And this is how I look, guys.
यताबाट मात्रै ए यो साइडमा मात्रै राम्रो हुँदैछ
Okay, wait. Let me put properly. All right.
पुरा अङ्कलहरु त त्यो गोजीमा हाल्छ नि क्या हो
All right, guys. Had a nice time. Oh my God.
अबे
Mishap झन्डै भयो.
यहाँनिर
आइरिन्सनको त्यो जुत्ता पल्टेको भए चाहिँ
स्लोप हो नि यहाँनिर चाहिँ
Yeah, you can't
you can't actually see it but then है
you can't
Your
actually
camera
no
ma.
you can see it but you can actually make it out that
it is a slope
yeah it is
के भन्छ
there is a
Cliff.
there is a cliff
it's a
there is a deadly cliff there is a bheer. So yeah, guys, with this I would like to end my vlog. We'll be getting back home.
bye bye
We'll be staying in Jusingtang today, and even Irinchin will be staying there with us. And we'll probably go to Gumpa as well on our way back. So, all right. Do like, share, and subscribe if you haven't
Anula
already.
Bhutia.
Yeah, to Anula Bhutia. Okay, and much love to you guys. Bye bye. Yeah.